Hey there friends, in this video I'm going to be showing you how to remove black bars from a video in DaVinci Resolve 21. So as you can see, I've already got a few clips loaded into my timeline right here, and you might notice one of them is at a different resolution. So if I drag it into my timeline, as you can see from the playback monitor, right now it has black bars. So one way of getting rid of the black bars is by messing with the values here in the inspector at the top right hand side of our screen. So one way to do that is by left clicking and dragging the values of the zoom property right here. And as you can see, by zooming in to the video, we get rid of the black bars. We make it fit our aspect resolution. So we can even move the position just a little bit if we want to frame our video a bit better, we can do so very easily. Another way that you might want to remove black bars is by using the transform menu. So it's pretty much the same as the transform properties here in the inspector, but you get a bit more control, and that's because you get to use your mouse when moving. As you can see, if I drag the corner around, I'm able to resize the video to make it fit and to remove the black bars. And if you'd like, it's a bit niche, but you can also stretch your video resolution right here. And you can do so in the transform menu by simply unlinking your X and Y values. So that's two ways of removing black bars from your videos. The first by using the transform properties here in the inspector, and the second by using the transform menu here in the program monitor. That's pretty much it for this video though. I hope I was able to teach you something new and something useful. And as always, thank you for watching.